Picture arriving in your kitchen after a demanding day to dinner half ready, without you raising a fingertip. Sounds like a sci-fi, right? Well, 5 intelligent kitchen appliances that are revolutionizing regular cooking into a stress-free, futuristic event are unveiled today. If you love smart homes, advanced cooking, and time-saving gadgets, you don't want to miss this. Let me bring you back several months. I was juggling a hectic schedule, getting home late, hungry, and too tired to cook. That's from meals controlled by Wi-Fi to AI-powered ovens. These devices don't save time. They make cooking enjoyable once more. Starting with the Instant Pot Smart Wi-Fi Multi-Cooker. This is your own chef rather than merely a pressure cooker. Wi-Fi control lets you begin dinner. This all-in-one intelligence appliance is a game changer, whether it's a soup, stews, or even yogurt. You can change setting on the run and obtain real-time cooking updates from your phone. Next is the Anova Precision Cooker. If you have ever desired restaurant quality steak at home, this Wi-Fi Source VAT cooker is the secret. Set the precise temperature, use your phone, and let the precision cooking system trap taste and juiciness. Ideal for foodies looking for gourmet results devoid of guesswork. Third on the list is June Smart Oven, which is essentially a small smart home center for food preparation. Built-in cameras in this oven from pizza to cookies. The Junes makes every meal a masterpiece by automatically changing settings for faultless result and utilizing artificial intelligence recognition to help you find your meal. Fourth, meet the Tovala Smart Oven. This one works with a meal delivery service. Just scan the meal QR code and the oven takes care of the rest. This is the best hands-free cooking option for busy professionals, students, or parents. And finally, the GE Profile Smart Microwave with voice control, sensor cooking, and Wi-Fi connectivity. It's like having a personal assistant in your kitchen. Goodbye to overheat leftover. Hello to probably warm dinners every time. Let me know in the comments below which of these 5 kitchen gadgets you would most like to try first. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, join my channel, and turn on to 1 more tips on smart home devices, smart tech kitchen tools, and time-saving appliances. Alerts to guarantee you never miss a technological advancement update. Your future kitchen is just one gadget.